Hello, my friend. Today, we explore a powerful idea that can change the way we live, learn, and succeed. This is not just about working hard. This is about working smart. In a world where people run endlessly and effort is praised above all, the secret is not in doing more, but in doing better. There is a road that many walk, a road of hard work, long hours, sleepless nights, and constant movement. It is a road where energy is burned like fuel in a fire, where every step is heavy and every moment feels urgent. This road is respected, even admired. Society claps for those who never rest, who work longer than others, who push themselves past the edge. But this road does not always lead to success, and that is the truth many ignore. Hard work is valuable, yes. It teaches discipline, it shapes character, it earns respect. But hard work alone is not enough. Because movement without direction is like rowing a boat without a compass. You may row harder than anyone, but if you're facing the wrong way, you will never reach your destination. This is the silent trap that many fall into, believing that pain equals progress, that hustle equals victory, and that doing more always means doing better. But the world does not reward effort. It rewards results. And results do not come only from how hard you work, but from how smart you work. Nature itself gives us this lesson. Water does not fight the rock. It finds the opening. Birds do not flap their wings endlessly. They glide with the wind. Trees grow not randomly, but toward the light. Life itself follows the path of smart energy, not just effort. So, what does it mean to work smart? It begins with understanding. It begins with clarity. Before we act, we must pause. We must ask, what is the goal? Why am I doing this? Is there a better way? Without asking these questions, work becomes routine. Routine becomes habit, and habit becomes a trap. People wake up, repeat tasks, run through the same motions, without ever asking if those tasks bring them closer to their dreams. Smart work is not lazy. It is not slow. It is not a shortcut. It is intentional. It is focused. It is designed for impact. It does not waste energy. It multiplies it. It does not do everything. It does the right things. This is the difference that changes lives. This is the secret that turns average into excellence. Imagine two people trying to climb a mountain. One starts running, full of energy, no plan, no direction. The other pauses, studies the map, chooses the right path, uses tools, finds support. While the first person gets tired and lost, the second reaches the top, not because of more effort, but because of smarter steps. This is not a fantasy. This is how life works. In life, there are three powers that make work smart: clarity, strategy, and leverage. Clarity means knowing what really matters. It means cutting through the noise. In a world full of distractions, clarity is a weapon. Smart work begins where confusion ends. It starts when you know your true goals. Not just what's urgent, but what's important. Not just what everyone is doing, but what you should be doing. Strategy is the second power. It means choosing how to act. It means planning before doing. Many people work hard, but very few stop to design their actions. They climb the ladder quickly, only to find it's leaning on the wrong wall. Strategy asks, what is the simplest way? What is the fastest path? What is working, and what is not? Without strategy, effort is scattered. With it, effort becomes power. The third power is leverage. Leverage means multiplying your effort without increasing your pain. It means using systems. It means using tools. It means learning once and applying it again and again. It is the power of doing one thing that produces many results. Leverage is why one person can build a business in a year while another struggles for a lifetime. Not because they worked more, but because they worked smarter. Smart work also means learning what not to do. Many people fill their day with useless tasks, things that look like progress, but are only distractions. Emails, meetings, messages, noise. Smart work cuts through this. It removes what doesn't matter. It creates space for what does. Sometimes the smartest move is to stop, to step back, to reflect, to ask, am I creating value? Or am I just staying busy? This is not easy. The world does not teach this. The world rewards activity. It praises long hours. It celebrates exhaustion. But true success is not loud. It is not rushed. It is calm, clear, and consistent. The smartest work often begins in silence. It begins with thought. It begins with awareness. That is the starting point of every transformation. In smart work, there is less pressure and more purpose. There is less reaction and more reflection. The goal is not to do more than others. The goal is to do better than yesterday. The goal is not to stay awake longer. The goal is to wake up wiser. This is not about shortcuts. It's about sharpening the sword before the battle. It's about preparation. It's about vision. Smart work sees the big picture. It does not get lost in small problems. It focuses on systems, not just tasks. It builds habits that last. It finds patterns. It asks questions. It creates change. While others focus on doing, smart work focuses on designing. While others chase results, smart work creates conditions where results happen naturally. And over time, the difference grows. The one who works hard without thinking becomes tired, burned out, stuck. The one who works smart becomes efficient, focused, free. Smart work frees your time. It frees your energy. It gives you space to grow. It allows you to create more with less. It brings balance to your life. There's a quiet strength in working smart. It is not aggressive. It is not loud. But it is deep. It is powerful. It moves with purpose. It knows when to act and when to wait. It knows when to push and when to pause. It creates not just success, but sustainability. Not just progress, but peace. Let us now imagine a new kind of life, a smart life. A life where every hour is used well. A life where stress is reduced. A life where growth is planned. A life where effort is aligned with goals. A life where less is done, but more is achieved. This is possible. It is not a dream. It is a choice. To live this life, you must begin with awareness. You must become the observer of your own work. You must stop and ask, where's my time going? Where is my energy going? What am I building? What am I repeating that no longer serves me? These questions are the gate. On the other side is freedom. Working smart is not a moment. It is a mindset. It is not something you do once. It is something you become. It is a way of thinking, a way of planning, a way of moving through the world. It does not happen by accident. It must be chosen daily, hourly, moment by moment. In this world, the difference between effort and outcome is thinking. If you think deeper, you act sharper. If you act sharper, you move faster. If you move faster in the right direction, you reach farther. All of this begins not in the body, but in the mind. So now, my friend, ask yourself, am I just working hard, or am I working smart? Am I proud of being busy, or am I building something meaningful? Am I chasing tasks, or am I creating impact? These questions are not just for today. They are for every day. Remember this: the smartest work looks easy from the outside, but it is built on deep thinking from the inside. The smartest path is not always the most obvious, but it is always the most aligned. The smartest people do not always work the longest hours, but they often live the longest lives. In the end, smart work wins. Not because it works harder, but because it works better. It wins in business. It wins in learning. It wins in health. It wins in life. So choose this path. Choose it with courage. Choose it with clarity. Choose it today. Because smart work is not the future. It is the present. And the sooner you live by it, the sooner you rise. Thank you for listening, my friend.